I'm doing Scarecrow, played by Cillian Murphy, so I'm specifically doing that mask because I have a personal tie to this character, which I'll explain. So the reason I'm doing this version of Scarecrow is because my cat Murphy is named after Cillian Murphy, specifically because of this movie. At some point I won't be able to talk, but just to explain what I've done so far, I've taken pieces of this fabric and I've glued it around my eyes where I'm gonna do the makeup, and then there's a piece over the mouth and nose. So there are a few pieces that I'm doing practically, and then I will be painting some of the seams on by hand. There's a lot of glue on my face for this look, which I don't love, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna add in this piece, and then the pieces over the ears, and a little bit sticking off the top. And then I'm gonna start painting it and adding in some more seams. Trying to give myself, you know, enough leeway to breathe fine. Thankfully, this stuff has a lot of holes in it, so it is relatively easy to breathe. But it is hot, so I'm gonna continue gluing pieces, and then I will start painting them. Now I'm taking a combination of brown, orange, and white to make a kind of a burlappy color to do a base, and then I'm gonna paint on the detail work using a brush. So I'm just gonna work on adding burlap texture and the stitches and the pieces that are like this that are more on the face. And then I'm gonna add in the mouse stitches, and that's pretty much this look. It's already really scary and pretty terrifying. So I don't think it's gonna take a lot to bring it to that next level, but chipping away. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I sewed this shut, so obviously it's a little hard to talk, but I am pretty happy with how it turned out. I feel like where the fabric starts and ends really blended well, and I do think it's absolutely horrifying. I could see myself doing something like this for Halloween. I think it's a really scary look. Of course, it would be easier to do a mask, but that's not why we come to my page. It's not to see me do things the easy way. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.